Good morning, guys! Ano na ako nagising today? 9:30 and now it's 10:20. Hindi pa ako nakaka-coffee because I did the laundry. Nilagay ko sa wash yung ano namin, bedsheet, yung quilt cover. Tapos meron ding mga damit from the weekend na kailangan kong i-wash. So, yeah, I'm doing washing today. Tapos, sobrang dami kong kailangan tupiin. Kasi on Friday, I did laundry as well. And that's the laundry for the whole week, right? Except for the weekend. And sobrang dami. Ooh, looks like magpo-pork chop na naman kami tonight. Danny set it out para ma-thaw siya. So, magpo-pork chop kami tonight. Hindi kami nag-over grocery shopping on the weekend kasi sabi niya uubusin namin lahat ng meron kami sa fridge, which I think that's the last meat we have. And siguro tonight, we will go grocery shopping. We'll see. Pero yeah, iinitin ko yung aking tubig. I'm gonna have my coffee. And let's start this day with a smile. I hope you guys are happy. Done with this. Sobrang dami. But this is nothing compared to what I do sa Pilipinas. Kasi sa Pilipinas ako nagtutupi lagi. And every week, as in sobrang dami. For those people na nanonood ng vlog ko ever since, malalaman nyo na sobrang dami nung tinutupi ko every week talaga. Kasi diba, 7 kami sa family. 1 week worth of damit. Sobrang dami talaga nun. So this is nothing. Katatapos ko lang i-iron yung mga shirts ni Dan para sa work. Tapos, I was checking my Instagram kasi hinintay ko na matapos yung wash. Pangatlong load ko na yan ng laundry. Naririnig nyo ba siya? Yes, naririnig nyo siya kasi ang ingay-ingay niya. Malapit na kasi siya matapos. So, parang super haggard na siya. Anyway, chinek ko yung Instagram. Nakita ko tong post na to. Pinost siya ni Sisian. Sabi dito, never respond to rudeness. When people are rude to you, they reveal who they are, not who you are. Don't take it personally. Be silent. This is super on freaking point. This one right here as well. Keep improving yourself. Those incompetent people will always have something to say against you. That is just the most on point post I've seen so far. Hi guys! Katatapos ko lang mag-shower. Katatapos ko lang din mag-apply ng skincare. I will do my skincare routine soon. I will do my best to film that really soon. Hindi ko pa alam kung kailan, pero yeah. When I was doing my skincare, I saw this, the Snow Skin Whitening Cream, and I get a lot of questions. Siguro almost every day, I get messages, comments, asking me if I'm still using this. I am no longer using this. I'm pretty sure I already mentioned it on my previous vlog, nung bago pa lang ako dito sa Australia. I stopped using this because it just doesn't work the way it used to work nandun pa ako sa Pilipinas. And sabi ko siguro it's because of the weather. If you guys watch my vlogs, nung unang week ko dito, as in sobrang nagbe-breakout ako, I actually still have the scars right here. I did like this though. Nung nireview ko siya, yun yung mga thoughts ko nung ginagamit ko pa to. Kaya nga dinala ko to dito, kahit na malaki siya, dinala ko pa rin siya kasi gustong-gusto ko siya. Pero nung I started using it here, nandito na ako, malamig yung weather, it just wasn't sitting on my face right. Parang iba yung reaction ng mukha ko. Ay, hindi na siya nagbe-blend ng maayos. Parang naging streaky siya. And it didn't really happen nung nasa Pilipinas pa ako. So, siguro hindi na siya nagwe-work masyado sa dry skin. Nag-iba na din kasi yung skin ko. Dito, hindi na siya oily. Nung nasa Pilipinas ako, sobrang oily ng skin ko. And this one worked out for me perfectly. Pero dito, hindi na siya nagwe-work. Pero yung lotion nyo guys, matagal nang ubos yung lotion. Yes, ginamit ko yung lotion to the point na naubos na talaga siya. I love the lotion. Hindi nga lang siya umabot sa Australia kasi nung nasa Pilipinas pa ako, naubos na siya. Sobrang favorite ko yung lotion na yun. I did not repurchase because I don't see myself spending that much on a lotion or even this cream. As in, sobrang mahal niya. Again, I'm gonna do my best to do my skincare routine soon para malaman nyo kung ano yung mga ginagamit ko. Pero yeah, wala na talaga akong ginagamit na whitening na product. Meron din nagtatanong kung nagugluta ako over. Hindi naman ako pumuti. As in, over na puti. Siguro, because of the lighting lang. Kasi kapag natural lighting, parang pumuputi ka talaga tingnan. Pero I don't think as in pumuti ako. Like, yeah, siguro mga shade lighter. But nothing really like crazy na, oh my gosh, naglighten na talaga yung skin ko. Wala. So yeah, yun yung update nun. We will go to Target. We will return his record player. He doesn't like it. It doesn't work properly. And he already bought a new one. A way better one online. Way more expensive. Way better than my gift. For me. He's trying to catch this Pokemon. I can't catch him. He's too far away. And like, it's just crazy. I don't think that was bad. See, he's too far away. You got him! You got him! Oh my gosh. His meowth. Meowth? I hope he doesn't go out. Don't go out. Don't.
Don't go out.
Don't. Gotcha! Yay! Thank you, babe.
Sorry.
We're home. Bumili lang kami ng chicken para sa lunch niya bukas. So, kailangan ko itong lutuin ngayon. And then, he got Pop-Tarts as well. And then, this lemonade. That's basically it. I'm going to cook. I'm gonna cook pork chop with mushroom. Sobrang gutom na ako. Sabi ko sa kanya, mag-take out na lang kami. Pero, naano na kasi, nalabas na namin yung pork. Sayang naman kung hindi lulutuin. Nandito yung onion namin. Dito namin nilagay yung onion. Ang cute, diba? The pork is there simmering. Charot. And then, that's for his lunch tomorrow. So, ooh. Yes, it's ready. That's for his lunch tomorrow. I'll just add mushroom and capsicum to that. And then that's it. Dinner time, yummers. Yummers. Tatlo sa kanya, isa sa akin. Kain tayo. Just peeling off the pineapple. This is the one that we got from the market at Chinatown. And it smells really good. Sorry?
That smells really good.
It does, yeah.
Are these little pieces okay, or that pain?
No, I need to take that out. So as long as you take the skin off, I should be able to take care of it. We did it! First time to peel and cut the pineapples. Was it your first time?
Yeah.
Your hand just looked really chaka. First time. I'm gonna eat it with salt. Are you gonna eat it, babe?
Not with salt.
Not with salt? Ah, that's mine. Just kidding. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Tuesday and Tuesday pa lang kinakabahan na ako. Kinakabahan ako kasi bukas pupunta dito magde-dinner yung kapatid ni Dan, yung dalawang kapatid niya, tapos may mga asawa na sila, may mga anak. And yeah, maraming tao dito bukas. Hindi pa final though, pero yeah, sabi niya, dapat gumawa ka ng dinner. Yeah, so magluluto ako ng adobo para sa 6 na adults, tapos 3 bata. Ang dami ng adobong yun. Kinakabahan pa ako kagabi pa kasi yung plano, kami sana mag-host ng dinner nung last week. Tapos, in-invite ako ni Kath nung Tuesday ata or Monday. Sabi niya sa akin, hey, pupunta kami ng city ng Wednesday. Sama ka ba? Ipapakilala kita kay Ann. Tapos, sinabi ko siya kay Dan. Sabi ko, ayokong lumabas nung Wednesday na yun kasi magdi-dinner ako. Like, I need to prepare, you know? Like, kailangan kong i-vacant yung whole day ko para sa dinner na yun. Because it's gonna be my first time. Sabi niya, wag, pumunta ka dun sa mga kaibigan mo, sabi niya. So, akala ko okay na ako. Hindi na ako magdi-dinner na. I was so happy. I was like, yay! And then ngayon sabi niya, so ngayon, kailangan natin gumawa ng dinner kasi hindi mo siya ginawa last week. Like, idea ko ba yun? Ikaw nagsabi nun. Nakakaloka ka naman. So, parang na-shock naman ako kagabi. Mag-aadobo ako. Nakakatakot kasi hindi ko pa ito na-try. Tapos yung mga kapatid niya, wala yung mama niya kasi nasa vacation. Pero yung mga kapatid niya, sasarap magluto. Nakakaloka. Anyway, I got a package today from Madame Glam. Wait. Yeah, Madame Glam. This is their gel polish kit. So you guys know I love nail polish. So I'm gonna try that maybe today. By the way, this nail polish, you guys, looks really pretty. Nag-chip na siya, pero not bad at all. Like, I've had this for more than a week now. This is the Sinful Colors in the shade Rendezvous, yun. Kailangan ko na ito palitan siguro ngayon after ko mag-film kasi I'm planning to film. And maybe I will use this Madame Glam kit. Meron ako mga na-receive na gel nail polish from them. Ito na yung kit. So, magagamit ko na siya. And then, I got a package as well from Fashionia again. Meron pa akong mga hinihintay na items from Fashionia so hindi ko pa siya ma-haul. Pero yeah, I will go ahead edit my video. I need to edit the whole video that I filmed last week. Tapos, after ko mag-edit, maliligo ako. Tapos, mag-film ako ng video. It's gonna be a review. And I'm excited. So, yeah. Tapos, kinakabahan pa rin ako. Kinakabahan pa rin talaga ako. Ngayong gabi kami magsha-shopping ng pangbukas. Oh my God. Tapos, sabi pa niya, magluto ko ng talong. Kasi gustong-gusto niya yung talong. Yung tortang talong, yung maitlog. Gustong-gusto niya. Sabi ko, ikaw yan eh. Paano kapag hindi nagustuhan ng pamilya mo? Ang dami kong lulutuin. Magluluto ako ng talong. Magluluto magluto ako ng adobo. Yung adobo talaga kinakabahan ako ng sobra. Kasi isang beses pa lang ako nagluto ng adobo. Sobrang nagustuhan niya. Nagustuhan ko rin naman. Masarap naman yung adobo. Adobo. Pero what if parang naswerte lang yun, diba? What if hindi para talaga ako marunong? Naswertean lang ako ng first time. Tapos ngayon, second time, ang dami ko pa lulutuin. Sakit na ng kamay ko. Sabi niya, ano daw, 20 pieces daw. So, parang 20 na drumstick at saka wings. Hindi 20 wings, 20 drumstick. Pero like, you know, 20 all in all. Paano ko lulutuin yung 20? I'm pretty sure tapos ko na magawa lahat when you guys are watching this video. But I'm just trying to tell you. I'm so kinakabahan right now. I do not know. Like, I'm not sure if I'm gonna pull this off. Nafe-feel niyo ba yung kaba ko? Kasi sobrang kinakabahan talaga ako. What if hindi nila magustuhan yung pagkain? Kasalanan to ni Dani. Hello! I just finished filming 2 videos. I mean, hindi pa as in tapos na tapos yung isa kasi it's a review video. So, I need to update on that one. Kakaloka, hindi ko naman in-expect na mag-update pala ako. I reviewed the yung applicator Churvaling. I'm pretty sure that video will be up before this vlog. So yeah, yung na-review ko is yung applicator na mahal. From Sephora. Hindi ko naman napansin na it claims to last 8 hours pala, ganun. So I was like, para ma-review ko to ng maayos, kailangan ko palang mag-wait ng 8 hours. Akala ko like, apply ko lang siya. After ng apply na yun, okay na ako. No. Mag-update pa ako mamaya after 8 hours, kalerts. Pero okay lang yan. Na-film ko na din yung aking July favorites video. My gosh, ang bilis ng panahon. And I feel like I overdid my highlight again. Or maybe it's just because of the lighting. Yeah, it's just the lighting. Kasi hindi naman kasing over yung paglagay ko ng highlight ko. Yung highlight ko na yon, bonggang-bonggang nasa favorites ko siya. Kasi of course, diba? Hay nako. Pagdating na Dan, pupunta kami sa shops kasi bibilhin namin yung manok. Diba? Kasi mag-aadobo ako. Magpapalit na ako ng top kasi sinuot ko lang to for the video. Sobrang lamig. In-on ko yung heater so hindi malamig dito. Pero kapag inopen ko yung door na yan, saan ba yung door? Yan. Kapag inopen ko yan, ang lamig. Ang lamig dun sa hallway, ang lamig sa ibang kwarto. Dito lang yung warm kasi nga naka-on yung heater dito lang. So yeah, ayoko lumabas doon kasi ang lamig talaga guys. Check natin kung ano yung temperature outside. It is 11! My goodness! Tingnan nyo! 11 degrees sa labas. And parang kakapasok din naman yung 11 degrees kasi pag open ko ng door na yan, 11 degrees ng bonggang-bongga. We're going to Coles?
Yes.
We will do some shopping. We will get some... What are you listening to? We will get chicken wings, chicken drumsticks for the adobo. Oh my goodness, how can I do that though? We will get eggplants as well for the tortang talong. Tortang talong. Tortang talong. Is that tortang talong? Try it, babe. Tortang talong. Tortang talong. You're perfect. We're here. We got our chicken drumstick and our wings. Now we're getting drinks. Ooh, that's a big one. Only one, babe?
Maddie went to be one.
Got one like those.
Maybe we'll get 2.
Yeah. Or get lemonade as well.
Sorry?
Get lemonade as well. Or do you want to just get Coke Zero? Is everybody gonna drink that?
Do you want to get?
What?
Yeah, we can get something else.
Yeah, get something
Don't
else.
try this sugar-free Turks.
What is it? Lemonade? Yeah, sure. Are you okay, babe?
Yeah.
Heavy? You're strong?
Sure.
You're right.
I am.
Really?
Kick your ass.
Ooh, try and kick my ass. I'll kick your ass back. Hello, they have nuts, babe.
They're expensive ones. Look at that.
Are they? Oh yeah,
$8.60.
shit balls. That's expensive.
Look,
Well,
$3.
you're looking at cashews though.
But you look at these are cheaper ones. These nuts are
Haha.
cheap.
I want the spicy one. They don't sell that.
No, that's like a special nut. Oh, it's jasmine.
Jasmine rice. Get this, babe. Hello, half price as well.
Yeah, we'll grab that one.
Goodbye. Hello.
Yeah, let's do that last year week.
And that's the last one as well. Naubusan na kami ng rice. Niluto ko lahat kanina. So, We need more.
What else we got? So what's
Rice
it?
is life.
Eggs.
We need, yeah, eggs and then puff pastry.
Okay.
Will they have that here?
We got the same half with eggs.
Okay. Let's do a haul. Let's do it together.
No.
Sige na!
Babe, come on.
Sige na!
I need guest appearance. I'm not a regular.
My hair is wet. I straightened it today and now it's like crazy again. Please put the jackets in the laundry room. Hala, shoot! My camera is dying! My gosh! We got rice! A big one. Eggs. You guys, we got 10 chicken wings. 10. Can you believe? 10. Eggplant. Dalawang eggplant. Puff pastry because he wants me to make churros for tomorrow. And then 10 drumsticks as well. Good luck talaga sa akin ito bukas. Babe, good luck talaga sa akin.
Yeah.
Patay jud ko ani, babe. And then we also got this fresh disc para sa toilet. Ito para din sa toilet. Sobrang lakas ng ulan. And ang lakas din ng TV. And then we got Coke Zero, a big one. And then ito din, I cannot wait to try this one out. Salted peanuts. Yummers. Last one is the sugar-free lemonade. Yummers. And that's it. I'm gonna cook dinner. This is Yummers. Ito yung nabili namin kanina sa Kohl's. I'm watching MasterChef as well. Tonight is the final day. And gusto ko yung manalo si Matt, yung lalaki. I think, yeah, parang siya naman talaga mananalo. Tsaka na ng buhok ko. Kailangan ko pang i-update yung review ko kasi I reviewed the foundation. No, not a foundation. An applicator. Si Dan hindi niya alam kung paano re-replyan yung ano niya. Kasi di ba magluluto ako bukas? Tagalog talaga ba? Kasi nanonood yun ng video ko. Magluto ako bukas. And yung ina-expect ko is darating yung kapatid niyang lalaki na may pamilya niya, tapos na may pamilya na, tapos yung kapatid niya ding babae na may pamilya niya na Tagalog talaga. Sabi nung asawa ng kapatid niyang lalaki, hindi daw sila makakapunta bukas. So medyo sumaya naman ako ng bonggang-bongga doon kasi konti lang yung lulutuin ko. Kasi kanina iniisip ko ano kayang gagawin ko para maluto ko lahat in one go. Iniisip ko na sana kanina na dalawahin ko na lang siya, pero ngayon na hindi tuloy yung isang pamilya. So, yeah. I just finished filming my review. Clinose ko na yung review ko. Naglagay ako ng isang softbox dito. Ayoko kasi mag-film sa aking filming room kasi hindi pa naman final yon. Meron pa akong hinintay na isa pang equipment. Charot. Pero yeah, ikaw close ko na din tong vlog kasi I need to close it. So, yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget to goodbye.